Welcome to first episode of 5 Zones to Declutter in 15 Minutes. Organize one zone a day for 5 days using the SPACE method. You will be amazed to see how 15 minutes a day can keep your clutter away. First zone that you can declutter in just 15 minutes is your under the sink area. Purge some unused or expired cleaners, ancient and broken cleaning tools, grocery plastic bags and the old cleaning gloves of yours. Another zone that you can declutter in 15 minutes is your bakeware and dishes cabinets. Purge those chipped plates and glasses, worn-out baking pans and forms, as well as those duplicates of whisks and measuring spoons. Another area to declutter is your utensil drawer. Purge those extra spatulas, plastic forks and spoons. Don't forget about the extra tongs. Let's check your bedroom. If you tend to throw things under the bed, this is the best place for you to start at. Can you see anything that you can let go of? It's time to tackle that paper. Set a timer for 15 minutes and go through your piles of paperwork. Purge junk mail, receipts, paid bills, take out menus and other paper that you no longer need. Thanks for watching.